they're going to be aborted in early embryogenesis. So if you have too few, like monosomy, or too many, like trisomy, copies of chromosome 14, so we got 1, 2, 3 copies of 14 here, only 1 copy of chromosome 21 here, these are going to be zygotes that are going to be non-viable. So what's happening. So we've got, let's say this was the male parent. It's got normal copy of gametes, haploid copy of 21, and 1 copy of chromosome 14. It fertilizes this egg that has a translocation in it. And we get another translocation carrier just like the parent. So this person can now is alive, is normal, and can pass that translocation down to the next generation. The next possibility, so right there. So the next possibility is that this male sperm gamete could fertilize this egg that's got 1 of each chromosome just like it should, and we're going to get a normal zygote with a normal phenotype. The last viable option is that this sperm fertilizes this egg, and we result in a child that has 1, 2, 3 copies of chromosome 21. 2 are whole copies, 1 is partial. That's one of the answers on your ICE. 2 whole 21s, 1 partial 21, and then 2 copies of chromosome 14. This person is going to be born alive, but they will have Down syndrome. The other 3 possibilities of gametes that are going to arise from this parent who has reduced fertility and has these this translocation event and these gametes that are going to result in monosomy and trisomy zygotes, those will not survive. Other chromosomal combinations result in aborted embryos. Here's a concept check. What is the outcome of a Robertsonian translocation? There are different possibilities you can read through. Make sure you understand why these A, C, and D are not the correct answer, but the correct answer is 1 metacentric chromosome and 1 chromosome with 2 very short arms. This is a problem that I'm going to have to create a different video for, but the solution is in the notes for this slide. Make sure you understand how many chromosomes Bill has. Bill has 2 kids with Down syndrome. Bill's brother has Down syndrome, and Bill's sister has 2 kids with Down syndrome. So that sounds like it's inherited. The type of Down syndrome that is inherited is familial, caused by a translocation, Robertsonian translocation. So that's to get you started thinking about that. Be looking for the other video to focus on this problem. In summary, aneuploidy in humans is not tolerated well, but there are a few notable cases. Non-disjunction results in whole chromosome aneuploidies, and Robertsonian translocations can cause major chromosomal changes. Primate evolution and heritable Down syndrome are examples. Thank you, and goodbye.